Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 2 marks. Let's look at the question. Shown below is a submarine scouting an enemy ship in the ocean using a sonar device. Sonar devices send out a sound pulse from a transducer and then precisely measures the time it takes for the sound pulse to be reflected back to the transducer. Now, a sonar wave sent by the submarine hits the ship and returns back in 2 seconds. The speed of a sonar wave underwater is 1500 meter per second, and the submarine is diving at a depth of 750 meters below sea level. Find the angle of elevation A of the ship from the submarine. Show your steps. Okay, so they've marked this angle of elevation as A already in the figure, and I'm naming this triangle as ABC. Okay, and here they've mentioned that a sonar wave is sent to the ship from the submarine. So the sonar wave travels in this direction, and it takes 2 seconds for it to reach back to the submarine. Okay, now if it takes 2 seconds to reach back to the submarine, then in one direction it takes 1 second, right? That it takes 1 second from the submarine to the ship. Okay, now they've given you the speed of the sonar wave as 1500 meter per second. Now speed is given to be equal to 1500 meter per second, and we know that time in one direction would be 1 second. Okay, so totally the distance traveled by the sonar wave will be equal to 1500 times 1. Okay, now why is it 1500 times 1? Because it's speed into time. Okay, so that gives me 1500 meters as this distance. Okay, so I've marked that as 1500 meters. Also, they've mentioned that the submarine is at a depth of 750 meters below the sea level, which means the length of AB is given to be 750 meters. And we have to find the angle of elevation. Now we know the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So I'll take sine of angle A as equal to AB divided by AC. And that's sine of angle A is equal to 750 divided by 1500, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now I know that sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. So I can replace 1 by 2 with sine 30. And the value of A now becomes equal to 30 degree. So the angle of elevation of the ship from the submarine is equal to 30 degree. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.